if your next holiday collaboration, the one you've been so excited about, ended up costing you your brand, your peace, and even a relationship? It sounds dramatic, I know, but I've seen it happen. And not because people had bad intentions, maybe some did, but because they didn't have a clear agreement. Let me tell you a story. I love stories. So, a few years ago, I met two friends, both small business owners, who decided to collaborate for the holidays. A good thing, right? Yes. One made candles, the other ran a small home decor brand. They came up with the sweetest idea, a home for the holidays candle box. It was cozy, it was creative, and full of heart. They poured themselves into it, designing, packaging, promoting, doing pop ups together, everything. Everything looked perfect until it wasn't. A few weeks later, misunderstandings started creeping in about money, ownership, and who was responsible for what. And that is why we're talking about this today. Because nothing kills a joyful partnership faster than unmet expectations. One person thought you would split profits equally, the other thought it was just for exposure. And suddenly, what started as fun or as a business project turns into frustration. So today, let's talk about how to protect your peace and your brand during this holiday. That's so important during this holiday season, especially if you're doing collaborations or giveaways. Hi, I'm Kemi Adefarakan, lawyer, mom, and founder of Pro Law, where I help small business owners with the legal side of business so they can focus on what they do best, creating, doing content, and all that good stuff. And if you're launching, partnering, or selling this holiday season, this episode will help you do it legally smart. This is one of the most exciting times of the year for entrepreneurs. Everyone is creating, connecting, giving, doing lots of good things. But before you say yes to that brand collab, stop and ask, what are we actually agreeing to? What am I actually agreeing to? Because a collaboration is not just a caption, it's a contract, whether you write it or not. WRITE, whether you write it or not. Here's the thing, verbal agreements sound friendly, but they don't protect you. They leave room for assumptions, and assumptions cost money, relationships, and credibility. Having a simple written agreement doesn't mean you don't trust someone. It simply means you value clarity and your business and your brand. It says, let's make sure we're both protected and on the same page. Now, three clauses quickly that you can't skip. Clause 1, roles and responsibilities. Who is doing what? Who's creating the content, posting it, or providing the product? Be clear about deliverables, deadlines, and who covers what costs. Ownership of content. If you're sharing photos or videos, who owns them afterwards? Can the other brand keep using your image for their future promotions? Write that down. Protect your content, your likeness, and your brand identity. Clause 3, money and materials. Oh, this is so important. If there's payment, profit sharing, or gifts involved, please be specific. Even giveaways, decide who ships the prize, who pays for the postage, and how winners are selected. Little details prevent big misunderstandings. Like they say, the devil is in the details. I've seen friendship, collaborations, and even brand reputations break down over things that could have been solved with one simple clause. So before you post that collab coming soon graphic, pause, put it in writing. Because peace of mind is worth far more than popularity. Let me say that again. Peace of mind is worth far more than popularity. So, if you're planning a collaboration giveaway or joint project this holiday season and want to make sure you're protected, visit laprolaw.com. I help small business owners simplify the legal side of business. Remember, collaboration is beautiful, but clarity keeps it that way. Protect your peace, protect your brand, and have fun doing what you love this season. So, take care. And if you enjoy this, please share this, like, and subscribe. Take care of yourself.